everybody, and welcome to Friday, October 8th. For today, you guys are working through our final quiz for the Call of the Klondike. I had you guys complete your 30-day writing challenge, day 38, your Call of the Klondike think questions, because you didn't quite finish them up yesterday, and your Call of the Klondike quiz. Okay, what's due to me Sunday? Vocabulary, context clues. We did that on Tuesday. Your Call of the Klondike predictions, we did that on Tuesday, Wednesday, even a little bit on Thursday. Your Call of the Klondike think questions, we did that on Thursday. We're doing a little bit today. I am giving you guys time. I should not be giving homework cards on Monday. Okay, your 30-day writing challenge, day 28. What is the best book you have ever read? Why did you like it? Did reading the book change you in any way, and what ways? Okay, your Call of the Klondike quiz. All right, you guys took a quiz. It's on Google Classroom. I'll show you in a moment. It's located in Google Classroom. Read each question carefully. You guys had 15 minutes. My 3-4 had 20 minutes to complete the test. Please make sure you are reading it carefully. For me, it was open book because I wanted you guys to have the best chance to succeed. So it is right here in our Google Classroom, Semester 1, Study Sync, Call the Klondike quiz. There's the Google form. You sign in. Go ahead and take the test, okay? Last name, first name, example, Ornella's Ms. Make sure there's a comma. And you guys are going to read the questions. I'll do the first one with you. Which of the following inferences, okay, remember how do we infer, okay, is most strongly supported by the following passage, which is paragraph 2. Stanley Pierce described the scene this way. Thousands of people in the public square watched the weather-beaten and hardy adventurers stagger into the express office with sacks of gold, golden blankets, and oil cans, and even in moccasins. Okay. So what can you infer by reading this statement? Were they underprepared, and did they not fare well? Did they not do well? The narrator is exaggerating a story. Well, we know this is a nonfiction story, so this is actually true. The gold is so wildly abundant that the man don't have enough containers for it. Or the gold in moccasins hints that conflict with the Sagosh may have occurred. Okay, you are going to go ahead and click the answer that is most correct and go ahead and move to question 2. There are a total of 10 questions. The last 2 questions are where you are going to just order the events, whether they happen first, second, third, or fourth in the story. Okay, so we did that. You guys finished up your think questions on Study Sync. Again, we didn't quite have a super fun Friday activity as our last couple of weeks. For our Fun Friday activity, I had you guys do some college-based reflection. You guys made me some awesome pennants. I'm going to use them to decorate my class. So that's just what we did for Friday. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Send me an email and I'll reach out to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.